Okay, let's jump right in. We are doing a deep dive today on the AI Image HD-100A IP67. It's a full HD POV camera.
Right, but it's more than that. The sources we've got really paint a picture of this flagship camera reimagined for adventure.
And it's not just the tech, it's also about the whole support package from the vendor, HDTV Supply.
Exactly. Our mission is to see how this camera, which is built to be, submerged and take a beating, is matched by its customer support and even the pricing.
Speaking of price, we should probably get that out there right away. It's listed at $400.
And there's a discount code.
Yep. 10% off gets you 10% off. A good thing to keep in mind.
So if we start with the camera itself,
Okay.
it's rugged DNA, let's call it. The main feature is the weatherproofing.
IP67, what does that actually mean for you, the user?
Well, it's completely dust tight.
Yeah.
But the big thing, the really critical point is water.
Yeah.
The camera head can survive being fully submerged.
You don't just mean splashed on.
No, I mean fully under the water,
Yeah.
up to a meter deep for 30 minutes. This is for those really unique shots.
And of course, if you're in that kind of environment, the connections are everything. They have this great phrase for it.
Oh yeah, extroverted cabling, introverted connections.
I love that. It means you've got 6 feet of weatherproof cable carrying all the important signals, HDMI audio, power safely away from the camera head and the danger zone.
And performance-wise, it's solid. It streams in full HD, so 1080p, 1080i, and 720p.
Through an HDMI 1.3A output.
Right, which might sound a little dated, but for FHD, it's perfectly fine. It actually allows for a thinner, more flexible cable, which is important for that weather seal.
And what about audio? Because that's often an afterthought on these little cameras.
That's what's so interesting here. It has synced TRS stereo audio over a 3.5mm jack.
TRS, so you're getting a proper professional-grade stereo input.
Exactly. You're not stuck with some tiny, low-quality integrated mic. You can capture real audio on location.
And they didn't sacrifice flexibility either. It has two 14-20 mounts.
One on the top, one on the bottom.
Which is huge for rigging, right? Especially if you need to mount it upside down or get it into a really tight low-angle spot. And you can still swap the lens.
You can, as long as a new lens still fits inside that weatherproof cap. So there is some modularity.
Okay, so you have this incredibly tough camera. Let's pivot to the other half of this story. The vendor support from HDTV Supply.
Because when you're buying gear for risky shoots, you need to know the seller has your back.
For sure. And the immediate benefits are pretty significant. You get free USA shipping.
A 30-day free returns policy, too.
And they ship the same day if it's in stock. But this is the part I like. They always ship with the latest firmware installed.
That's a huge time saver. No messing around with updates right out of the box.
Now, here's a really crucial bit of financial info you need to know.
Yes, the tariff. So AIDA added a 15% tariff on their products back on October 9th, 2025.
But the key detail is that the $400 price we mentioned, it already includes that 15%.
Which is massive for transparency. It means when you're comparing prices, you're looking at the final number. No sticker shock at checkout.
That is invaluable. And the long-term support, this kind of blew me away.
Beyond the standard 2-year warranty, right?
Yeah, HDTV Supply gives you free lifetime technical support.
For the life of the product. That's a serious commitment.
You can even add more peace of mind if you want.
Right. There's an optional 3-year extended warranty for $35. And they offer a high-speed HDMI cable for just $10.
So let's wrap this up. The big takeaway for you is that you're not just buying a camera, you're getting this complete package.
High-level weather protection, I mean certified submersion.
Paired with a vendor who has really thought everything through. They've absorbed the tariff into the price, and they promise to support you, well, forever.
So here's a final thought to leave you with. Given that IP67 rating and the 2 mounting points, just think about it. What kind of extreme, ground level, or even partially submerged POV shots could you get with this camera that your standard gear just? Well, it just can't risk. That's something for you to go out and explore.